Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. We're adjusting the lighting, and that reflection you see beside Wendy's left ear is the sunlight coming in to our office. Wendy's a breath of fresh air and a ray of sunshine today. This is video number 2, yet another FUE repair with a strip, and this is another nervous fellow who is about 30 years old. Nice guy, tough guy. He's kind of a badass, I think, Wendy. And he got an FUE by a guy that dabbles in hair, and he had a little bit done on his front, and I think he had a little bit done in the middle, and then he had a little bit sprinkled in his crown without shaving. And here's what he looked like before. And after 3 visits to the office and a bunch of phone calls with Wendy, we got him in here and did a strip case on him. And then, like everybody, they're all, virgin cases are nervous, but repair cases are even more nervous. And it took some hand-holding to get him through the week, and then he came every day to get cleaned, and then he moved out of state, and he had a girlfriend that, remember, he didn't really like his girlfriend, and
Don't say that.
all right, I'm not gonna say he didn't like his girlfriend. So anyhow, he came back to visit his friends at 13 months and stopped in last week, and he did this video. All right, Steve, how old a fellow are you?
35.
And I worked on you 13 months ago, and your pictures, your before pictures are up, and you had gone to a fellow that does some hair, don't say his name, and you got some FUEs, and you had a little bit of them put up front, a little bit of it in the back, and it just wasn't enough.
I wasted $9,000. I had basically no change after the surgery.
And I told you your curse is that skinny hair that you got, and so I convinced you to do a strip.
Right.
And we did your hairline, which now looks good. In fact, that's the best part of you. And man, this looks unremarkable. You happy with the front?
I am, yeah.
Spin around, let me see the back of that head of yours. And then look up a little higher towards the ceiling. And so here you are at the back, in the back of your head. As I told you, and I tell everybody, the back, because hair goes out in all different doggone directions, it's never, you don't have to do a comb over, but it's never as thick as the front is. And so I think you look good. Chin down just a little bit. And your strip scar, after I got a hold of you,
My barber couldn't even notice it.
is right there. Spin back around if you would, please. Was I truthful with you? Did I leave any bullshit?
Absolutely not.
And I tried to talk you into anything you didn't want to do.
No, sir.
You got any advice for people that might be watching this?
Just do it. It's worth it. Don't waste your time. You're getting older. Do it now while you're still young.
And strip work better than FUE on skinny-haired guys, right?
Absolutely. I did the FUE. It didn't work.
Thanks a lot, man. So he looked pretty good, don't you think?
He looks good. Before he looked like a little bit of a unicorn with a little hair here and there.
Yeah. And in the video, he talks about, the strip was the correct choice for him, again, because he needed a fair amount of hair, and he's likely to need more hair in the future. In this hair, he's only 30 or 33, wherever he said in the video. I mean, I'm 57, and he's got a family history. He's going to need another case at some point. And so the advantage of doing that strip, and he's got a good scar, show a close-up of it, is it leaves plenty of hair for next time, even if I'm long retired by then. Right?
Yeah, I think young guys should really weigh in, family history of their hair loss before they move forward.
There's never a rush to do a hair transplant.
Yes.
And plan for the future.
Yeah, if you're young and you don't know what the future is going to hold, really do your research, wait, and it sucks, but you have to wait and
or do a hairline
or do
and
a hair.
for the
Yes, like I think the young guys are the ones that have it a little bit harder, because they think, if you just do these triangles, but then they keep on losing more. Yeah. So young guys.
So do your research.
Yeah, do your research. Think it a lot before you move forward with a hair transplant anywhere.
And plan on eventually getting to be an old guy like me.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, thanks.